Good morning, folks. ইংলিশ স্পিকিং প্র্যাকটিসের জন্য একটা পার্টনার পাইলে খুব ভালো হয়, রাইট? বাট আপনি কোনো পার্টনার খুঁজে পাইতেছেন না, যার সাথে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে যাচ্ছেন সেই বলতেছে খুব ভাব নিচ্ছে। এই ক্ষেত্রে তাদেরকে অ্যাভয়েড করে আমরা প্রকৃতির সাথে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারি। সো স্টিক অ্যারাউন্ড টু নো হাউ টু স্পিক English with nature and watch the full video. So now I'm walking along the lane and there are too many trees around me. You can see right here, there. On my right you can see there are some mahogany trees, and on my left this is a banana garden. And we have a school here, a kindergarten school. The name of the school is Kids Valley. This is where my mother teaches. After walking along the lane, I've ended up in a field. The sun is shining beautifully and casting a soft warmth in this winter morning. You can see some water pooled over there. Now I'm walking on a wall. I've just hopped up the wall. The field is grassy and the dew is glistening on it. Now have a look at me. I'm wearing 2 layers and a beanie. I've reached a narrow lane. This is a spinning gate, and I'm going through it. Here is another grassy field, but it's steadier than the last one. We have got a college here next to the field, and the name of the college is Shah Nematullah College. This is where I used to study when I was at intermediate level. That's enough for today. I called one of my students at my home around 10 a.m. and it's already 9:45 a.m. So it's time to head back. Let's go. Home sweet home.